Hey there, Julie speaking here. Today, I want to share with you a game changer in intimate care, LactiFresh Gel. If you, like me, love feeling fresh, confident, and healthy every day, this product might be exactly what you've been looking for. Ever since I started using LactiFresh Gel, I've noticed a huge difference in my daily comfort. This organic, intimate gel is specially designed for us women, helping to restore the natural pH balance of our intimate areas. And trust me, this is essential to prevent infections and unpleasant odors that can affect our confidence. On top of that, it provides long-lasting hydration, giving you that fresh feeling all day long. One of the things I love most about LactiFresh Gel is its gentle, hypoallergenic formula. It's dermatologically tested and has a physiological pH, which means it's safe for our delicate skin and mucous membranes, reducing the risk of irritation. And the best part? It's made with natural ingredients, including lactic acid, which helps maintain the intimate microbiome and protects the mucous membranes from harmful bacteria. So, besides feeling fresh, you're actually taking care of your intimate health in a safe and effective way. Applying LactiFresh Gel is super simple. Just apply a small amount to your clean, intimate area twice a day, morning and night. The texture is silky and smooth, with a light, pleasant scent that enhances the feeling of cleanliness and freshness. From the very first use, I felt a noticeable difference in hydration and comfort. Now, I need to highlight something very important. To ensure that you get the real, high-quality product, you must buy LactiFresh Gel only from the official website. This guarantees that you're getting an authentic product and allows you to take advantage of exclusive offers. For example, when you buy 3 units, you get 3 more for free, which is an amazing deal. Plus, the official website offers a satisfaction guarantee, showing just how much they trust their product's effectiveness. In short, LactiFresh Gel has become a must-have in my personal care routine. It combines natural ingredients, proven effectiveness, and a pleasant user experience. If you want to improve your intimate health, prevent infections, and enjoy long-lasting freshness and confidence, I highly recommend giving LactiFresh Gel a try. And remember, only buy from the official website to get all the benefits and the security you deserve. Click the link on the description below, and your intimate health will thank you.